Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am gonna show you around here. I'm the hostess with the mostest. I'm the host of everything that goes on here. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today we are swatching the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint. I did purchase this on Sephora.com. It does retail for $24 and it is the only Stunna lip paint in the line. The shade that I did pick up, because it is the only one, is Uncensored, and this is the box that it does come in. It does say on the website this is a 12-hour weightless lipstick. It has a very soft matte finish and it is said to look amazing on all skin tones. So as you guys know, I love a good red lipstick. I prefer blue reds rather than orangey reds. I just love the way that they look. I feel like they make my teeth look whiter. They look good in summer. They look good in winter. They look good in fall. If I had to pick only one lipstick that I could wear for the rest of my life, it would be red. Like, simple, hands down. It looks good with every single color. So as always with my lipstick swatching videos, I'm going to come to you guys with clean, freshly exfoliated lips. I'm going to show you guys the lipstick with the name at the bottom of the screen, and then I'll come to you guys at the very end with all my thoughts, comments, concerns, and all that jazz at the very end. That's repetitive. So taking a closer look at the packaging, you guys can see that it says Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a long wear fluid lipstick and it is 4 milliliters. And then at the top of the box, you do have the shade and then a preview of the swatch. Looking at the actual lipstick, it does say Fenty Beauty on the top of the wand, and at the bottom you have the actual lipstick itself, and this is very beautiful. It has very chic, very clean packaging. This is kind of like a pinkish rose gold. This wand up here, this is a pinkish rose gold color, but in certain light it might be showing up silver. And then of course on the bottom you guys are going to see the name. It says Uncensored again. When you do open up the lipstick, it has a very unique applicator. I've never seen something like this. It's kind of like a bent doe foot applicator. This is very unique to me, but this is all you need really. This feels very comfortable holding this in my hand, so we'll see. And it feels pretty good. It has a nice, good, solid weight to it in the hand. It feels good. Something that I will note is that on the packaging it does say shake before use.
I'm relying on your love, and can you let me some, so that if I'm left with nothing at the bottom, you can be the one to come and help me up. You're the one that got responding to the calling. When my heart is heavy, you are sure you to.
So you guys, that is a swatch. I love it. It goes perfectly with my outfit. I told you guys, red goes with everything. Don't argue with me because you're not going to change my mind. Red goes with everything. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful with orange. It looks beautiful with blue. It looks beautiful with white, with black, everything. It looks good. Just to go ahead and get into my first impression, initial thoughts, this feels really good on the lips. My lips do not feel restricted. They don't feel conformed. They just have full range of motion. It feels really, really good. It actually doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips right now, which is great. I don't feel the need to like blot my lips. I don't feel like it's drying. It feels very natural on my lips, which is really, really good. I like that. It does bring forward the texture on your lips. So as I would say with any lipstick, but especially this lipstick, make sure your lips are well moisturized, well exfoliated before putting this on, because you're gonna see all that dead skin. You're gonna see the wrinkles of your lips. You're gonna see it all. So it's just gonna magnify the texture on your lips. So make sure that it's good, hydrated, and exfoliated. The formula is more so on the watery side. So I would say take your time when applying it, because it can get messy, it can bleed everywhere, it can get messy fast. So just take your time, apply a little bit at a time, and a little bit goes a long way. I only needed one coat for this, and that's good, like one and done. So it's gonna last you a while, like I said, because it has a little more of a watery texture. Just take your time, be patient, and it's gonna last you a while. Because I've never used that brush before, it was kind of weird. I didn't know like what type of pressure to apply, kind of how to use it. So once again, just take your time, be patient, because it might feel a little bit weird using that different type of applicator. In terms of, is this date night approved? It did transfer a little bit, if you guys can see that. So I would say bring it with you to touch it up. However, for the most part, I mean, it only a little bit transferred, so that's not too bad. And it's still all the way intact on my lips. It didn't even budge. So this is definitely date night approved. It just has a little bit of transfer. But definitely bring it with you to touch it up between eating or whatever festivities you have planned for the evening. I love it. I was definitely very skeptical because I've seen it on some people and I was like, I don't know how that's gonna look on me. However, I really do think that they did make a red lipstick that looks good on everybody. You can't say that with a lot of lipsticks. A lot of lipsticks, like, they might look good on people with lighter skin tones, but then you put it on you and you're just kind of like, oh, this looks clownish. But definitely this needs no lip liner. It looks really, really good. It looks good on everybody that I've seen wear it, and I love that. So definitely this gets 2 thumbs up for me. Again, I did purchase this at Sephora. It does retail for $24. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. If you guys want to see more lipstick swatching video, more Fenty beauty product reviews, definitely let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me. Kiki, do you love me? I'm so tired of that stupid song. I loved it, but now it's stupid. Anyway, I digress. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
To the question, I don't know it. I just wanna love you, just to make you smile. That's the motive.